If you're a student aiming for the stars, then you need a launch pad. Discover how Tutrition propels you beyond your academic limits. Struggling with subjects? Or maybe you're aiming for the top of your class? Tutrition is the answer you've been searching for. This isn't just any coaching institute, it's a community where each student's potential is unlocked with tailor-made tutoring. Imagine having a personal coach who not only understands your learning style, but also adapts their teaching methods just for you. At Tutrition, that's exactly what you get. Our tutors are not just experts in their fields, they're your personal academic allies. But wait, there's more. Tutrition uses cutting-edge technology to make learning not just effective, but super engaging. Interactive sessions, real-time feedback, and gamified learning modules make it so you're not just studying harder, but smarter. And for all you busy bees, flexibility is our middle name. Online or on campus, morning or evening, Tutrition fits into your schedule, not the other way around. Now let's talk success stories. Meet Kushan, a Tutrition alum who scored 95 marks in physics, 94 marks in chemistry, 95 marks in maths, and 99 marks in computer science. Or Arian, who mastered calculus and scored his dream college. Yes, these could be you. So what are you waiting for? Join the thousands of students who've transformed their academic journey with Tutrition. Sign up today and turn those grades around. Let's make learning exciting and effective together. Remember, with Tutrition, it's not just about better grades, it's about a brighter future. See you in class.